Now what we're going to do is we would start the projector at this point. And you'll see that projecting out. Another thing that you would then do, you would make sure that the camera was catching all of the screen of the projector. But you'd want to fill the camera's screen as much as possible with the image. So you'll notice that at the bottom is actually filled, but the top isn't. It's what we call the keystone effect. So what we do is we actually will fill to the top so that the sides are even. We'll just zoom in just a tiny little bit. And what you'll get is you'll get the exact image that's being projected. You'll notice that on this there's not a lot of flicker or flutter, just simply because we have shifted the shutter speed to 30 frames per minute instead of 60. I'm going to stop the projector and rewind it, but I'm also going to rewind it in with the bulb on.